Okay, for today's video, I'm going to make a baked sushi. I have salmon, I got imitation crab, and Japanese rice. Okay, I got Japanese rice, and I put the rice vinegar. And sesame oil. And I got, where's it? Rice seasoning. Wait, gonna mix this. Put some of this. And mix it. Let's put the salmon crab mix. And there you go. Spread it out. Put it on top of the Japanese rice. There you go. So I spread it properly and then bake it after. Maybe 10 to 15 minutes. Okay, it's finished. Over here it's not done. So that's the final result for my baked sushi. And we're gonna put sriracha and chipotle mayo. And go get the thing, the seasoning. Ayan na po, linantakan ng mga anak ko. Kumain na sila. Busog na busog ng mga junakis. They said it's yummy and delicious.